Imagine walking into a manufacturing plant in 2025, where the air buzzes with the hum of robots and the gentle whir of AI systems working in harmony. Gone are the days of assembly lines, manned by rows of workers performing repetitive tasks. Instead, you're greeted by a seamless blend of man and machine, all orchestrated by the wonders of Industry 4.0. This new era of manufacturing is not just about making things faster, it's about making them smarter, more efficient, and incredibly precise. It's a revolution that's transforming the way we think about production and quality, and it's only just beginning. At the heart of this transformation are AI-powered robots that have become the superheroes of the assembly line. These aren't your average robots. They're equipped with advanced machine learning algorithms that allow them to perform complex tasks with remarkable precision. Picture a robot welding pieces of metal together. Its movements so fluid and accurate that it rivals the best human welders. According to industry forecasts, production speed is set to increase by a staggering 30% by 2025, thanks to these technological marvels. This means that what used to take days can now be accomplished in mere hours, all while maintaining an unparalleled level of quality. But speed isn't everything. Quality control is where AI really shines. With the introduction of real-time quality control systems, manufacturers can now detect defects the moment they occur. Imagine a robot equipped with machine vision capabilities, scanning products as they come off the assembly line. If a flaw is detected, it can halt the production process immediately, reducing error rates by an impressive 25%. This not only ensures that only the best products make it to consumers, but also saves companies from costly recalls and reworks. Consistency is the name of the game, and with AI in the driver's seat, manufacturers are hitting the bullseye more often than ever. Now, let's talk about predictive maintenance, an area where AI is proving to be a game changer. Traditional maintenance schedules often lead to equipment downtime and unexpected failures. But with AI analytics, manufacturers can predict when a machine is likely to fail before it even happens. It's like having a crystal ball for your machinery. By analyzing data from sensors and historical performance, AI can forecast potential issues, allowing companies to address them proactively. This predictive approach is projected to improve equipment uptime by 20%, leading to significant reductions in operational costs. Imagine the savings when you can avoid costly breakdowns and keep your production lines running smoothly. As we look ahead to 2025, it's clear that the landscape of manufacturing is evolving at a breakneck pace. The integration of AI and robotics is not just enhancing efficiency, it's redefining what's possible in production. The factories of the future will be smarter, faster, and more adaptable, responding to market demands in real time. Workers will collaborate with machines in ways we've only dreamed of, focusing on creativity and problem-solving while leaving the repetitive tasks to their robotic counterparts. So as we stand on the brink of this exciting new era, let's take a moment to reflect. What innovations in AI and robotics excite you the most? Is it the thought of robots performing intricate tasks with pinpoint accuracy? Or perhaps the idea of a factory where quality is guaranteed by real-time monitoring? Whatever it is, the future is bright, and we want to hear your thoughts. The world of manufacturing is changing, and one thing is for certain: the journey has just begun.